Dear children, welcome to my English class. Today we will discuss about lesson 5. The name is the kind tree. Okay? We will discuss about the tree. Now listen children, every person has some friends. We have also some friends. But the real friend is the tree because it helps us in many ways. We will discuss about it. Now see, the trees gives us fruits, gives us vegetables, gives us leaves, gives us woods, and it also gives us oxygen to inhale. It also gives us rain, it gives us clothes. We collect cotton from cotton trees and make cloths and then we can wear. So everything we get from the trees. So they are the real friends of man. Okay? Because everywhere the trees help us. Suppose it is a summer day, you want to go somewhere, and when you feel tired, we want a tree. We sit under the shadow of the tree. It gives or it provides everything to us. So, it is the best friend or the real friend of human being. Okay? It has life. The tree has life. But it cannot move from one place to another place. Okay? And it gives us everything we know because we collect our food from the trees. We grow rice, wheat and some other paddy from the trees, and we get vegetables and different types of ripe fruits like mangoes, apples, oranges, guavas. So many fruits are there. We collect from the trees. And it also gives us clothes, it gives us water, it gives us oxygen. Without tree, we cannot live on the earth. So, tree is the best gift on the earth by the God. Not only it gives us the human being, it also helps the animals and birds. The birds gather on the branches of the tree and make their nest to live in. Okay? And the animals take rest under the tree, or it gives shadow for the sleepy cows and some other animals. Okay? It also provides leaves to the animals who do not take meat. So everything we get from the trees, and our work is we should not cut down the trees because we know nowadays people cut down a lot of trees aimlessly. But the trees gives us everything, but we do not think about it. Only we cut down it and clear the forests and some other areas to establish industries, houses and buildings. So we should think about its help. It helps us many ways. It gives us some medicinal things also. So we cannot live without trees, but we don't think about it. So our duty is to help the trees to grow. We should plant more and more trees to save our earth. Okay? So this is the part, or this is the gist of the poem. So here, children, it is page 75. Look at this. Trees are the kindest things I know. They don't harm and they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the bogs. Now see, here the trees are the very kindest thing. According to the poet, the trees are very kind because everything we collect from the trees, but we do not give anything to it. On the other hand, we cut down it and kill him. Okay, so they are very kind. They don't harm and they simply grow. The trees do not harm anyone. We harm them, but they do not do it. Only they simply grow. Grow means increase their height and spread a shade for the sleepy cows. It gives shadow or gives shade to the cows to take rest under it. Okay? And also it provides leaves or the food for the animals. They are the first when days begun. Begun means started. When the day is started, first the trees receive the sunlight, and at the end of the day, in the evening, it also receives the last ray of the sunlight. Because we are at home or somewhere, but the trees are at the same place at any time, so they receive the first light of the sun and last light of the sun also. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. When it is going to night, the last ray of the sun is received by the tree. And when a moon floats on the sky, floats means move on the sky or move on water, to touch the beams of the morning. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum and drowsy lullaby. Hum means, here look at this, HUM, hum, sing in a low voice. Sing in a low voice. So we know it that according to the poet, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Lullaby means a song which make the child to sleep. In Hindi, it is called lori. Sometimes our mother sings loris to make us sleep. Of the sippy children, long ago, trees are the kindest things I know. And when a moon floats on the sky, when the moon comes into the sky at night, it also receives the light of the moon, and it looks very beautiful at that time. They hum a drowsy lullaby when it is a dark night, when it is a dreadful night, or in a lonely night, when the leaves of the trees rustles by the air or by the wind, it makes a sound. According to the poet, it is sung by the trees. Okay. According to the poet, the trees sings. The tree sings song for the children to make them sleep. Trees are the kindest things I know. Okay, this is the gist of the poem. We know. Listen, children, we should plant trees and take care of them because everything we collect from the trees. So, our duty is to save them, not to cut down them. They are very kind, they cannot move, they do not harm us, and everything we get from the trees, or without trees we cannot live, we know. So, our duty is to plant more and more trees to save our earth and also save us. Because if trees are not there, we cannot get water, there will be no rain. If there will be no rain, we will not get any food to eat, even a drop of water to drink. Okay? So we should plant trees and take care of them because they are the best friends to human being. So we should remember, oh, every person should plant more and more trees to save our earth. Okay? Then we will write the difficult words like this. Listen to me. Harm means damage. Harm means damage or hurt somebody. Spread means extend or increase. Sleepy or drowsy means want to sleep. And boughs means big branches of the tree. Tough, T-O-U-G-H, its pronunciation is tough. Tough means difficult to break or strong. Float means move on water or on the sky. Beam, ray of sunlight. Beam means the ray of sunlight. Hum, H-U-M, hum, sing in a low voice. Lullaby. Lullaby means song to make a child sleep. Okay? Gather. Gather means meet or come together. Begin. Begin means started. We know the birds make nest on the branches of the trees because it gives, the tree gives shelter to the birds, and it also provides shade for the cows. Okay, this is the gist of the lesson.
To write like this.
Lesson is a poem, the kind tree. Okay, you have to give the heading like this, and after that we will write the difficult words. Now, children, it is over.